Last semester we had a semester project about a bicycle frame, because a bicycle frame is also a load carrying structure. And then we had the big rep, and a bicycle frame can actually fit into a big rep machine. And the end result was that we 3D printed the frame in one piece, and afterwards we combined it with the original bike, and we got this kind of hybrid functional bike where we have the load carrying frame, which was 3D printed, and the rotating wheels and that stuff, and the steering was from a original bike. We had the big rep machine for more than 1 year, and we are very glad to have it, because it makes a lot of things more easy prototyping, fast prototyping, and it performs very well. I think that in a few years we are able to print a bike, and you can take it outside and take a ride on it and use it every day.